several years later, and I'm at Bar Centrale, which is this really, chic little theater hangout after a performance of Spring Awakening. And I'm sitting there having drinks with this guy, and I'm pitching him my idea, and you know what? He said, that sounds great. And because of that, and because of how awesome these three guys are, that's where we are. That's why we're here today. I was at the gym today, and I overheard this woman saying, and she was complaining. She said, he didn't give me any disrespect. And I thought, oh, I live for days when people don't give me disrespect. And it occurred to me that for so many of the people from the music business or from other areas other than theater who come into our world or look at it from outside, they do have sometimes a kind of idea about what theater is, and it makes them a little nervous, or they don't trust it, or they don't understand that they can actually be a part of it. And I have to say, you guys never gave me no disrespect. And you never gave the theater any disrespect. So that's what I have to say. Well, I mean, you take it now.
Hi. I'm not used to standing and talking. So, I think the whole idea with American Idiot, when it, there was, coming up with characters and a storyline, and I think about the song American Idiot, which you guys just heard. It's like, it was written or just you're getting bombarded with information, and a lot of it just being lies and trying to figure out your own truth to the whole thing, and not getting your individualism just not getting lost. So, and I think that's kind of what this whole thing has been about. And it was always the thought was always for it to be staged or to create a film or something with it, just because. And we were thinking in terms of that, just like it was kind of like, it felt like scoring a movie or something. We got really into different kind of things that we would kind of go outside of the normal for us, which was like, we got, well, except for Tommy, or we got into like Rocky Horror, and we got into listening to different things about, what's going on with West Side Story. I think I even downloaded like some things like Ethel Merman sang or something. It was just like a totally different approach, It's like, I don't know. And then now, like coming into this and seeing the energy that all the actors and everybody else has been involved with, and it kind of reminds me of the first times that we ever really got into being around creative people in the punk rock scene at Gilman Street and things like that, because it was just the energy. You just want to be around it. There's just so many creative people, and I think all of these people here are they're the most talented people I've ever seen in my life, and probably I'll ever see in my lifetime, is because they're truly devoted to the craft, and it goes beyond just trying to be a star. It's a belief in theater and art, and I don't know. So for me, it's been the ultimate inspiration behind the whole thing. So, without further ado, Mike Dirnt.
Well said. I just think it's been an amazing, collaborative, but inspiring, especially at this juncture of our career. It's been very inspiring to us to see people, all the artists involved, whether it's Stephen Hawking, the dance, the way that Tom Kitt has arranged, like expanded some of the arrangements, and honestly, Michael's direction, everybody here, it's been so inspiring at this point of our career that I don't know. I think since we were really, like Billy said, since we started off really young, it's re-energizing, it's inspiring, and it's an honor.
I'm just gonna kiss the cat's ass again. They're so damn
darn good looking, and they work so fucking hard. Here, Billy.
We got it
Here's
covered.
a remote. Yeah, the play's on Broadway. It opens 4/20. We're really proud of it. Thanks for all coming.
There's room for 3. Hey, that's my special place.
Let's do a picture.
Typical Broadway.
Leo's got a boner.
Let's do a photo op.
Come on.
Tell us what you want. What do you want? Seriously get there?
What are you, photographer?
We've done some weird shit.
I don't think we do actually. But can you speak up?